That's it, I'm suing this company. Going through our Amazon reviews. First, let me state that I've been working on my vehicles my whole life, along with a ton of other DIY projects where my hands get really dirty and oily. Having a family, however, can diminish this over time. I bought this soap a couple weeks ago, and when I first tried it, I simply could not believe it. For the first time ever, my hands were completely grime-free, cool, were not dried out, and the cleanest I've ever felt my hands. So much so that I have been feverishly working on everything and anything that I can to finally try and defeat this hand cleaner once and for all. But I've had no success in this endeavor, however. My family rarely sees me any longer since I'm outdoors creating all manner of evil experiments to conquer this hand cleaner. I have not been able to do it. Additionally, every time I use gripclean, I develop a mad thirst for soap or cleaner. But this stuff is just damn addictive. I never would have thought. Oh wait, it's the smell of this soap, I believe. I never thought I would state this about a soap or cleaner, but this stuff is damn addictive. My family life is in ruins now since I'm MIA from my family, and my insatiable cravings for vodka-infused frozen fruit has left me with a grocery bill that will land me in a divorce court soon. I have no recourse at this time than to hold this company responsible for bringing me to this. I cannot stop using this cleaner or stop looking for projects to work on simply to get my hands dirty and as filthy and grimy as possible so I can have an excuse to wash my hands with this. Thanks gripclean for simply superb product, but please put a damn warning on your labels about the addictive nature of your product. P.S. My life will never be the same now. Sorry, Sam. Sorry.
So that's so